BA131CS120 Business Computing Introduction 2. For this assignment, we will be creating a BibMe account as well as a Diggo account and an opinion paper. For the first part of assignment number 4, we will be creating the Diggo account. So for the first part of this assignment, we will be creating a Diggo account. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Internet Explorer and you need to type in the URL www.diggo.com. Okay, so while I did mention that we should open this up in Internet Explorer, I actually often prefer to use Google, so Google Chrome would probably be the better. If you go to your Google Chrome and you type in, as you can see here up on top, www.diggo.com, it'll take you to this website. From this point, you go up to the top right hand side of the screen. You can see right here where I'm moving my mouse. There's a sign up and a sign in. Now, if you are doing this lesson, then you probably don't have a Diggo account, and so you would go ahead and type in or click on, using your mouse, the sign up option, which brings you to this screen. Now, this is a free product. You can upgrade if you'd like, get some more features, as you see here. However, the only one that you need is the free option, which is the first one in green. Since the free version has everything I need to have it, I'm going to go ahead and click on the free version page of create an account. Here you will type in your username using the parameters indicated, which are 6 to 16 characters, must begin with a letter, and then you will type in an email address as well as a password and then create account. It is really important that you remember to write down somewhere your username, the email that you used, and your password so that when you log in the future, you can remember what those are. Once you created your username and your password and you create your account, it will ask you if you want to install Diggo extensions, as you see on the screen right here. Welcome to Diggo, and then install Diggo extension. You want to go ahead and select that because that is going to help you use the tools to track your web pages and the text that you find. To activate your account, you will also need to remember to go to your email because you will be sent a verification or a confirmation email. So you will need to check your email to make this program work. And so I've already created an account. So this is just a web page now that I'm on. You should work on becoming familiar with the features of Diggo. I'm going to show you here that you can take your mouse and highlight an area that you wish to save, and then use the pen. You can see it up here, but it also pops up when you highlight some text. Go ahead and click on that, and you can even change the color. And once you do that, it will now save that on your Diggo as text that you've highlighted to be collected. So this is where this tool becomes really handy after you've highlighted that any information in Diggo on a web page, that you can then come back to it later that day or next day. You can open up again Google Chrome in a new tab, and then to the far right upper corner you'll see the Diggo symbol. If you go ahead and click that and go to My Library, you'll get a screen that looks like this that has your library on it. Then if I click on the former Qualcomm exec, which is the last article that I was looking at, it will open up your article. and it will also have the information that you saved. It will have what you highlighted and put into the library. So this is just one option for keeping track of your information and your sources digitally. Again, I encourage you to take some time to manipulate and play with the tools in Diggo and become more familiar with it. But it is a great tool to use. So just a quick recap of today's lesson. Today's lesson was about installing Diggo, which is a resource management system or program on the computer. We created a Diggo account, remembering to write down our username and password so we can log in the future. We then confirmed our account through email. After that, we downloaded Diggo extensions, which is part of the program. And then we highlighted some text and saved that text to the library. After that part, we opened up a new tab and located our saved resources in the Diggo library. Again, I encourage you to take some time to just play with Diggo and look at the different features and tools it has, and you will be able to use it to its full potential.